In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the YouTube app on your computer using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Let's start with Google Chrome. Open Chrome and go to www.youtube.com. Once the page loads, look at the address bar. On the right side, you might see an install icon. It looks like a monitor with a down arrow or a plus sign. Click it, then confirm by selecting install. If you don't see the icon, don't worry. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to save and share, then select install YouTube. Confirm by clicking install. The app will now open in a separate window, and a shortcut will be added to your desktop and start menu. Now, let's look at Microsoft Edge. Open Edge and visit youtube.com. If you see an app available button in the address bar, click it and select install. If that option isn't there, click the three dots in the top right corner, go down to apps, and choose install YouTube. A confirmation window will appear, just click install. Once installed, the YouTube app will launch in its own window and can be accessed from your desktop, start menu, or taskbar. That's all it takes to get YouTube running as a standalone app on your computer. Thank you for watching this video.